So we're, still visiting family and in the garage having to dig up this gem right here. Can you see that? Look at that, baby Robert. Before I got into the law of attraction, before I got into all this spiritual stuff. And I was thinking, like, what if we just taught all of our, kids in school about this in the first place? A lot of the work that I do is, unschooling, or deprogramming all of the things that I learned through the public school system in the first place. So I thought of a person today that really hit home with me, been a major influence in my life, and that's Nikola Tesla. Everything is energy. The more we can learn from this man, seriously, he is just beyond time itself. So we're going to get right into this video with the exact 369 manifestation technique from the man himself, Nikola Tesla. The 369 method from Nikola Tesla. Now, at first, I didn't think this was real. I'm not gonna lie. I do a lot of research, a lot of visualization, a lot of experiments on myself, and I wanted to really debunk this before I made this YouTube video. So yes, the Nikola Tesla 369 method is real. I've seen all the YouTube videos. I've watched them all. I've seen everything when it comes to manifesting and the law of attraction. And I'm gonna tell you something different. So stick around to the end of this video because you do not want to miss this exact technique for using Nikola Tesla's 369 method. Now, I'm going to break it down very simply with the analogy of a new shiny red car. We all want to manifest. We all want something in life. Let's just use the analogy for this reference of the beautiful red car. Okay, so starting first, what do you need to do to manifest using this method? Okay, it starts in the morning, right when you wake up. You need to have that intention. What is it? Be very specific. As you know, the law of attraction, this is all about energy. Nikola Tesla, the godfather of energy, the godfather of sound, and really understanding the universe, okay? He knew what he was talking about here. So let's go ahead and use his technique, his power, and use this to channel into our lives for the power of manifesting. Now, again, in the morning, I want you to wake up and start with this intention. You can write it down. This will really help you. 3 times, that's what it starts, okay? The number 3, write it down. I want a red car, or I am manifesting a red car. All right, write it down 3 times. Now, of course, if you don't want the red car, please interject and replace these words for something that you're manifesting in your life. Now, the next step is going to happen in the afternoon, okay? The most powerful part about manifesting is the letting go practice. Okay, you don't understand, if you haven't watched my other videos, clicked right here, go check it out. Learn the power of letting go before you use this method, okay? I cannot stress that enough because the power in your manifestation begins when you believe in the universe, when you trust fully in the universe. So when you know how to let go, that's you having complete faith and trust in the universe. So develop that skill first before trying this technique. I promise you the results will be insane. Now, the afternoon implies the number 6. What we're gonna do is get into our visualization. I want you to get into that deep meditative place and start visualizing that shiny new red car. What does it feel like? What does it smell like? Okay, really get into that visualization. For you, if you need to write something down, then please write it down 6 times. Again, we're using the 369 method. This is part 2. You're gonna write down 6 very specific examples of you visualizing that thing that you are manifesting. I want you to write down details. I love the smell of my new car. I am really enjoying the speed of the acceleration behind the wheel of this new car. All right, be very specific, okay? And the more positivity that you can bring into this, the better the results will be, okay? That is part 2. Now, the last and most important step, part 3, number 9, where we are going to, solidify all of this, comes down into the direct action, okay? That's what you need to do, all right? We're gonna do this 9 times in the evening, all right? What you're gonna do is you're going to bring this into an action onto whatever you're manifesting. So let's stick the example of the red car. So what you're gonna do is In the evening now, before you go to bed, you're gonna go to Carfax.com. You're gonna start looking at red cars. What is it? Is it a Chevy Mustang, or sorry, Mustang, Ford Mustang? Is it a Chevy Camaro, What, red car exactly are you looking at? Go to Carfax.com, start looking at it. Go to Craigslist, that's number 2, right? You're gonna go to 9 different places, 9 different actions in order to create a manifestation process for that red car. So search on the internet, start going on Facebook, start looking around in your real life as far as something to take action on to create that thing in your life. All right. Now, there's a very specific reason why I said morning for the number 3, afternoon for the number 6, and the evening for number 9. It's because when you go to bed at night, your subconscious is going to really reboot here, and this is going to be solidifying that manifestation process through the subconscious mind while you sleep. That way you wake up and you get right back into that intention all over again. Now, again, do not underestimate the most powerful part of all of this, and that is letting go. All right, when you fully let go, when you fully surrender to the power of the universe, you recognize that you are in line with the highest good of all, and this will instantly bring more power to your manifestation. Okay, so Nikola Tesla was right. I mean, what a profound human being, a man way before his time. You need to get yourself out of the way and use these techniques to channel this energy from the universe into your physical temple, your being, to start getting the life that you want. Okay, please tell me in the comment section below if you're using this technique, if you've ever heard about it before. I would love to know your thoughts and inputs about this 369 technique, and any little tidbits that you might want to add. Please tell me in the comment section below. Again, this exact technique works, and I can't wait to see the results that all of you get. So please keep me informed. I love each and every one of you. Shout out to the Inner Circle members. Shout out to everybody on the Patreon page. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this. Thank you so much. I love all of you. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.